Hi everyone. In this video, we will share a free software that is known as Clever PDF, which includes 24 PDF tools in a single application. Please note required download links are provided in this video description. Although there are several online tools for free, if you have some sensitive data, you might not want to upload it online. Here, Clever PDF plays a handy role. It is popular software that includes 24 PDF tools. You need to download and install it on your PC and convert your document to the desired format. Although Clever PDF is free to use, in the free version, a few limitations. For example, the PDF to Excel tool is limited to 3 pages in the free version of Clever PDF. This free application includes the following tools: PDF to Word, PDF to Excel, PDF to PPTX, PDF to Images, PDF to Pages, PDF to Numbers, PDF to Keynote, PDF to EPUB, Word to PDF, Excel to PDF, PPTX to PDF, Images to PDF, Extract PDF images, Rearrange PDF page, Delete PDF pages, Image converter, Encrypt PDF, Combine PDF, PDF watermark, Page number, Unlock PDF, Split PDF, Rotate PDF, Compress PDF. This application has a clean interface so that a novice can also operate it. Every tool included in Clever PDF is independent of others, which means just read the tool name and click on that to execute your desired job. Suppose you want to split PDF files into several pages, use the Split PDF tool. The best part of this Clever PDF is it supports drag and drop on every tool. That means there is no need to navigate to File Explorer to find your file. Once you want to convert any supported document, open the tool from Clever PDF and drag your file to its interface. The tool will upload them automatically from that path. Isn't it simple to use? The desktop version of Clever PDF also supports batch processing, which means you can process multiple files without waiting. Since it is an offline application, all the processes will be completed on your local computer, so there is no need to worry about online privacy or security. If you get a paid plan of Clever PDF, the developer promises to provide 24/7 customer service and offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. Conclusion: the desktop version of Clever PDF is quite easy to use. It includes almost all the PDF tools for which you keep searching on the internet. It also supports Windows 11 Tense and macOS. During our test on Windows 11, we did not find any lag in this software. All the tools are working perfectly in our test. Let us know via comment if you know about more good PDF tools for Windows machines. Goodbye. See you in the next video.